In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to create a 2D profile from a DEM in ArcGIS Pro 3.5. So we decided that Cape Royal is the location or potentially rank 1 for the new observation deck proposal. You want to see how the profile, what is the terrain profile in this region. So to do that, we will go to the 3D Analyst tools, and within that the 3D features and interpolation toolbox, and I will click on interpolate shape, and the surface should be our original DEM, and the interpolate feature, we are going to draw a line. So let's draw a line, so connecting Cape Royal to the desert view point here, okay, and right click and finish. And once this is done, the output feature class, let's name it as CR_DVP transect, okay, and run. Make sure the transect line is highlighted here. So this is my transect line. We will go to the data tab, and then in here create chart and the profile graph, create profile graph, and then it will automatically create the profile graph. You can see it's a light blue color. You can, and if you highlight that, you can see this is highlighted. And so this is the elevation in meters and distance, again horizontal distance in meters, because our projection spatial unit is in meters. You can go to the properties here. If you want to check where the elevation is what, you can click on toggle the track cursor, and that kind of shows in here where the elevation is what. So this is the bottom of the Colorado River, and then the rest of the steep curve shows this cliff here. Chart title, I'm going to change this x-axis, and I will add meters to it. Elevation, I'll add meters. Legend title, there is none. Description, there is none. Data is there. Style, line only. I don't want vertices, but if you want to see vertices, this is what it looks like. If you want to fill, this is what the fill looks like. That's also nice, so probably I'll keep it. But you can see the line is still highlighted. I'll clear the highlight, so it's not highlighted anymore, and I'll switch off the track cursor. So for changing the color, it's interesting, you cannot change in the properties. Here you have to highlight the layer and go to the symbology of the layer, and then if you change the line color, that changes this color as well. So I want to make it as brown because of, you know, representing elevation, I guess, and you can choose whatever shade of brown you like. This is a better brown. But going back to the properties here, I think I was going to change the font to Myrid Pro because that's what the font I was going to use, or I used for my map making, because in the next map I'm going to use this in, I'm going to insert this chart. Same thing, I'm going to just use this, the same font everywhere. Access labels as well. Another thing I was going to add are grid line reference, and chose this grid line, the color being gray, and the dash option to showcase. Now I'm going to export this as a graphic and save it in my folder. So I'm going to save it as either SVG or PNG. I'm going to save it as PNG, so transect profile.